onion, pickle is such a great combination. Cheese and potato kulchas, small ones, and they will taste excellent. To make this kulcha, we often use the naan dough. So if you want to use atta dough also you can use, but always a naan dough makes it very nice. For the potato and cheese kulcha, I am going to add a grated mashed potato. In this, we are going to add cheese and add some cumin powder. Add very less salt because cheese also has salt, and also add some chopped coriander and mix all of these ingredients and keep this ready. So this is what is the stuffing. When this is done, the kulcha will be so good. The melting cheese in the kulcha will make it very, very tasty. Kids will just love it. If it is kind of sticky, just take a little bit of flour, roll it. So this is good for stuffing. This naan dough is big. I always love the stuffing to be more. Just spread it nicely. The edges nice and thin. So we get more stuffing and less of the dough. Put the potato and just pull the edges. Tuck this in, put it the other side, and first press it slowly. Do not do it in a hurry. You have to let it rest for a minute, and we are going to make this nice thick kulchas. With the hand you can do like this. When you have done it to the required size, you can cook it on a hot tawa. On this, if you want, I'm going to add a little bit of chilli. In this, some crushed coriander seeds. When you eat, it will give a very nice taste. Press them. In fact, you can actually run the rolling pin like this without making them bigger. This is good. On a very hot tawa, cook them. Do not make them big. Cook it on a high heat, and when they are nicely colored, reduce the temperature, and you can apply a little bit butter and they will come out so good. The best potato and cheese kulcha you ever had. While cooking, just rotate it like this so that it cooks well, and look at them slowly puffing up, and when they get the right amount of color, turn it to the other side. Wow. Very little dough, more of the stuffing. Before you add butter, make sure it is cooked on both sides well. Look at them, how beautiful the kulchas are. So this is the texture I want you guys to achieve. After that, just apply a little bit of butter. Come on baby, just rub in the butter, and slowly the butter will be sucked in by your kulcha. The beautiful potato kulcha, suck it, suck it, suck it. And I'm not adding much. Inside the cheese also will be melting, and it will be perfect. Now look at these beautiful kulchas. Wow, so good. This one is like Bumba Bumba kulcha, and wow, look at it. The awesome, perfect kulcha. Another awesome dal. This is called Dal Maa. Dal Makhani in a 5-star hotel and Dal Maa in the dabas. Dal Makhani is usually made with black dal, kali dal. That's the black gram. Whereas for the Dal Maa, they add Rajma, they add channa dal and the black dal. So I have already boiled this dal till it is nice and soft. Add some oil in the pan. Add a little bit of garam masala, green cardamom, black cardamom, clove. Add cumin seeds, add some chopped onion. This chopped onion, if it gets slightly colored, it will bring in a fantastic taste. And another thing what they do is add crushed garlic. This garlic which is slightly colored will also give very good flavor. Add this garlic, add salt, add chopped tomatoes, chilli powder, some coriander powder, pinch of garam masala, and let this masala cook little bit. Add little water. The tomato is already nicely soft. Just bring to the boil. The cooked dal we are going to add to this. Now see the difference. The way I made dal makhani and I am making the dal maa. In this, I have chopped the onions and this will look good. I am going to bring this to a nice boil, then we are going to adjust the seasoning. No butter added, no cream added. This dal, as it is, it will taste good. And also, healthy too. In this, we are going to add kasuri methi powder. This kasuri methi powder will give very nice flavor. We are going to add some ginger juliennes. Mix this. Bring it to the consistency you want and also check the taste. So everything is perfect. I am going to show you how to serve this. Nicely boiled and wow, perfect dal maa. In this, just before service, add a dollop of butter. Look at this potato kulcha, nice. Inside, the cheese is melting and the coriander seeds and the green chilli on top, nice green chilli toast kind of nice effect. And this kulcha is absolutely boomba boomba. So when kids see the cheese melting, they will just love it. Wow, so perfect, so good. The perfect dal maa is waiting for me. I would prefer nice spicy dal. See, this one dal, you make it in any form, this will become so tasty. Dear friends, you have seen how wonderful and easy it is to make kulcha. Make it. When you make the best of the best food, you got to do ding chick, ding chick. Keep cooking, keep saying vareva. See you, bye bye, kudafis in next recipe. The melting cheese, my goodness. Onion, pickle is such a great combination. Make it, eat it and enjoy life to the fullest.